Today is such a glorious day because we are doing a shopping haul. What is up, you guys? I'm Nicole, welcome back to my channel, and the last time you saw me, I cut my hair off. And guys, I love it so much. I should have cut it sooner. I'm in the middle of trying to figure out how to style it. I need to like retrain myself how to style my hair, so bear with me here. Doesn't look so bad. Either way, I am loving it. And in my haircut video, you saw that my friend Jessica and I went shopping. I went shopping because I wanted a new outfit for the day that I cut my hair so that I could be feeling and looking my best. But I didn't just buy one thing. I mean, I am in the middle of giving myself a full body makeover, so of course I need to upgrade my wardrobe, right? And pretty much everything I bought was from Dynamite, so I thought, why not do a Dynamite shopping haul? I'm really excited to show you guys everything that I bought, so without further ado, let's hop into it. My very Dynamite shopping haul unboxing. So I got 2 bags of goodies, which is a huge success for me. I absolutely love everything they have in store right now. I seriously had to try to limit myself to 2 bags. So out of those 2 bags, I might as well show you what you've already seen. This is the blouse that I wore the day of my haircut, which I absolutely love. This blouse is flattering on and very feminine with the floral pattern and cinched waist. It also has cute polka dots for added texture. It has a high neckline with button closure and open back detail. It's very sheer, which makes it versatile, so you can wear it with a cute bralette. I currently don't have a bralette that would look good with this, so I just tried it on with a black bra, and it was a little too eye-catching for me, so I'm comfortable wearing a black tank underneath. And I guess the next thing that I can show you would be the blouse that I'm currently wearing. I couldn't resist, I had to cut the tags off and wear it. This blouse is so comfortable without sacrificing style. It's sophisticated and flowy. It looks great loose or casually front tucked or fully tucked into any high-waisted bottom for a more polished feel. It has a smocked neckline and 3/4 length sleeves that you can wear down or pushed up. It has sheer arms, but the body isn't, so you don't need to wear a tank under this one. I love the yellow flowers. It's a great pop of color without being too flashy. And the next thing I might as well show you would be the shorts that I bought purposely to go with this blouse. They are linen and so easy to wear. They have full back pockets and casual front pockets. I love pockets! It has a flattering high rise and I love the belt. The round front buckle adds a nice touch. You can match them up with a tee or tucked in blouse like I have here for an effortlessly chic look. And another shirt that I could wear with those shorts is this really cute white tube top. This would be great for a really hot summer day. I actually had to go up in a size. This is a medium large. They had extra small to small, which I did find a little snug, so this fit more comfortably, and it looks so cute with these shorts. It has a ribbed fabric and curve hugging fit. It also has this genius slip grip, which holds the top in place and stops it from sliding down. Love it, so genius. I love this top with these shorts for a bit of a statement-making look, but you can also wear it under sheer tops, blazers, button-downs, etc., etc. So the next thing I'm excited to show you is this duster. I can't get it in the screen, so I might as well just hop into the full body view. I absolutely love the length of this duster. It sits at about my shin, so it's not too long, not too short. It's so flowy and elegant, and I adore the floral pattern. It has a built-in waist tie, so you can give yourself more shape and an hourglass silhouette, or even tie it closed if you'd like. This is really versatile because it's an overpiece, so you can wear it with just about anything. Dress it up, dress it down. For example, here I've paired it with this black bodycon dress, which I think is so sexy. Yes, queen, slay! Get it, girl, woo! Just tooting my own horn. And for a more casual look, you can pair it with some jeans and a tank. The next thing is this really soft satin cami with a lace detail on the top, some pinstripes, and I'm actually going to pair it with the next item, so I will show you them both together, which is a black pleather skirt. It is very risque, but it can add some great texture to an outfit. This skirt can easily look promiscuous depending on what you pair it with, so I think this satin cami pairs well, kind of a chic, edgy look. It's high-waisted and a tight fit, so I have limited movement, I must say. I also think this outfit pairs well with this duster, don't you think? It also looks good with this blouse. You can even wear a pair of glasses for a sophisticated look. Definitely classy with a little bit of edge. And last but not least, I got a faux leather jacket. It is so structured, so beautiful, and so comfortable. I've always wanted a leather jacket, but I found it was too rough looking. How do I explain it? The leather jackets were too rocker for me. I find this more structured, more simple, and more elegant. So for example, here's the leather jacket I currently own. It was a hand-me-down from my sister Marlena, so I find it doesn't fit me right. I actually find it large. This jacket screams rock and roll, which is fine. It has a lot of heavy details, so I find it doesn't suit me very well. Whereas my new jacket, it's still edgy with a softer presence, a little more feminine. It's collarless with front zipper pockets, and my favorite part is the stretchy side panels. That's part of why it's so comfortable to wear. This jacket is so flexible. It's lightweight and the faux leather is so soft you can even scrunch up the arms. You can seriously layer this jacket over any outfit. So I'm so excited that I finally found a faux leather jacket that has a lot of structure. It is very feminine and soft. It's not too hard and too rocker. It's got just the right touches of everything. I absolutely love it. So there we go, you guys, my very dynamite shopping haul. There really wasn't a whole lot of items, but it's gonna make a big impact in my wardrobe because there's so many outfit combinations that I can make. You know, switch up what bottom I wear with what top, and switch up what top I wear with what bottom. Say that 20 times fast. Holy moly. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. All my socials are at Nicole's Life Be Like, so we can also stay in touch there, and I will see you guys in my next video.